was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So I thought I would hop on really quickly before we get into the video just to give a bit of an introduction rather than voice over the whole thing. So for today's video we're going to be doing a clean and decorate for my son's birthday. So you're going to see my house is a complete disaster at the moment. So you're going to see us getting everything in order, all nice and clean and decorating. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let's get into the video. So just very quickly, this is the before. So yeah, there's just stuff absolutely everywhere. I've had a lot of running around today to get decorations and just last minute bits for him, which you'll see all piled there. This is giving me not good vibes right now. So we need to clear all of this. That's his cake that I still need to ice and put together. The rest of the house isn't too bad. We've just got bits everywhere, so I need to clean and then we can start decorating, but the kids are still awake at the moment. Hey! So yeah, we're just waiting for bedtime and then we can crack on and get busy. That's just a really quick overview before I actually get in. I just thought rather than me jumping on and getting straight into it, I'd give a bit of an introduction. So yeah, everything that I can I will link down below. I've had a major Amazon last minute, so a lot of the things I'm using are from Amazon, so I'll link what I can down below, but I really hope you enjoy.
When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy.
Hey guys, so I'm just going to pop in throughout the video and do a voiceover just to explain a few bits. So here in the kitchen, all I'm doing is just literally surface cleaning. The kitchen had a deep clean earlier in the morning, so I'm just tidying up. The same when I move into the front room, just giving everything a quick hoover and just tidying things like the pillows up before we get to work on the decorations.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder. To a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
So I've got Darcy helping me. She was actually really excited. She stayed up a bit later because we needed to wait for Ollie to be asleep before we could start decorating. So she was helping me fill these jars with just some marshmallows, some rainbow drops and some M&Ms. And these jars are actually really good. I got them from Home Bargains and they were 99p and they look lovely on the table.
Loud. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little
I'm just popping the tablecloth on the table. I've actually had this since Ollie's first birthday. We just wipe it down and pack it away each year. And I got this from a website called Candle and Cake. I'll link it below. I've lined the jars up, as you can see. And then he wanted a football theme, so I managed to get these plates and napkins from Asda, and they were super cheap. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing there. Right, you can make your YouTube cameo. And the one job is cake duty. Well, I baked it actually.
We all baked it.
We all baked
The
it.
family job.
That's really good.
It turned out very well, actually.
Need to put his cake top on. I'll link the lady who I purchased the cake topper from down below as well, in case you're interested. She does lots and lots of different designs, and she also has a Instagram page with all of her work. Next up is to start with the balloon arch. So I purchased this from Amazon, I'll link it below. And something I just wanted to mention, you can see Tom and Darcy just there in the corner. I purchased an electric balloon pump from Amazon. I think it was £19, so I'll link this one below. But it's an absolute game changer, especially if you do balloon arches like this for birthdays. It just completely halves the time, so an absolute game changer. And here we are having luckily you can't see because it's sped up, but we're having a bit of a debate because Tom didn't like the way I wanted the balloon arch. He said it looked not very good, and then he changed his mind when he stuck it and stood back. So yes, just note to self, Tom, listen to your wife. Popping all of his presents out, and I picked up a few little books when I went to Asda, so I was just wrapping those up. All of his other presents and his scooter I will link. There'll be a card that will flash up and I'll link it down below. I did a separate video on what I got Ollie for his birthday if you want some ideas, and everything is linked in that video, so I'll link that below for you.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall.
That's going to be it for my video today, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed my clean and decorate with me. I just thought this was a bit of a fun twist on my usual cleaning videos. I don't think I put one up for Darcy's birthday, but I really love decorating for their birthdays. I plan it for about a week or 2 weeks beforehand, and I know it takes a lot of time for me to do on the evening. I end up not going to bed until about 1 a.m, but I just love seeing their faces when they come down in the morning. So yeah, if you haven't already, I really hope you'll consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to me, and I'd love to have you a part of our YouTube family. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel, and leave me a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everybody.